We've had 8 years of zero interest rates around the world. This is about to change. This month, I expect the US Federal Reserve will make the first move by upwards in rates in the US since 2008. The first move will be a small one, 25 basis points, 0.25%. But this will be the beginning of the change in direction of rates, and during the course of next year, I expect US rates will move from 0 today to around 1%. This doesn't sound like a lot, but actually, in the scale of things, it's a pretty big moment, and I think that will trigger a further strong rise in the US dollar, particularly against the euro. The euro is currently 106. The euro will be below parity to the dollar during the course of next year. So those of you who are thinking of investing in Europe can take benefit of this fact to time it more economically beneficially. We're also going to see further deterioration, I believe, in the Chinese economy. I think the economic statistics that are produced there are not always as reliable as perhaps they ought to be, and I think the Chinese economy is struggling more than we are publicly aware. I think that Chinese consumption of raw material is still going to contract, and I think we'll see a further downward move in oil and metal prices. And I think that will quite likely trigger a fairly sharp further sell-off in the stock markets, which recently in the US and in Europe actually have been trading at very, very high levels, supported by very low interest rates. So those are my views as to what may happen in the financial world next year. But a very interesting and volatile and complex time, but fascinating as well.